a tutorial on how to use the Alluwal Education Hub app as a student. So first of all, what you need is to head over to your app store there, all right? And then here it is, you can see it, learn, teach, and collaborate, and then you can download it. But because I already have it, I'm not gonna download it again, all right? So here it is. So once you click on it, if you are a student, you should already have an ID and a password that is given to you by the administrators. So in case you do not have one, please reach out to the administrators and they will give you your credentials. So I'm gonna use a test student account and to guide you through it. So I'm just gonna write test the student, and then the password is 12345 6. Click that and I'm already in. Right, so the moment you log in, this is the page that you're going to be seeing. So if you do not have any classes, any schedules at that point, you're not going to be able to see all of these things. This whole page is just going to be empty, and then you're going to see like you do not have any classes at the moment. All right, so at the bottom here we have the classes, which is the one that you're seeing right now, and then we have quiz. This quiz is a place where you can get some basic Islamic knowledge. All right, we have different questions and different subjects. For example, we have the 5 pillars, the prophets, Islamic history, and etc. So in case you want to play one, you can just click on any one of them, and you'll be given 10 different questions that you can answer and play and see, just to test your knowledge about some Islamic concepts. For example, what is zakat? I know zakat means charity, so I'll just click that and it will give me a little bit of an explanation at the bottom what zakat is, and then I can choose to go to the next one. On the next page, you'll keep doing this and this, so I'm just gonna guess. Let's just say I don't know what the answer is. I'll just say this one. All right, it will tell me the answer is wrong, and it will give me the correct answer and give me a little bit of an explanation. So that's the basic knowledge when it comes to the quiz. I'm just gonna quit this and then move forward. So in case you want to have some informations about Islam and stuff, I think you can play around here. The next part we have is the chat. All right, the chat, as a student, you have access to all of our administrators and your teachers' information. So if you are facing any issue, you can text any of these administrators. They can be able to help you out. For example, if you come to a class and your teacher is not present, you can text Suleiman. All right, Suleiman is the one responsible for classes, for class coordination. You can test him and tell him, oh, I'm here waiting in class, but my teacher is not around. I'm here waiting. All right, so you click send, it's gone. You should be able to kind of wait and you can get an answer for him. So now if you come back to recent, you should be able to see that. All right, and at the end of the day, you also have access to your teacher, so you can text your teacher as well. I'm here waiting, Ustaz. All right, you write this, and then you can also expect to get an answer from your teacher. All right, so that's the chat. And then tasks here, you do not have a lot of things to do here. This is, for example, when your teacher wants you to do something, or he wants you to do a task, and then once you do it, you can, once it's assigned to you, you'll be able to see it here, and then once completed, you can mark it as complete or in progress, so forth and so forth, right? So the other part that we have, this is the progress. So in the progress here, you have information about your classes, like how you've been doing, like how many times you've come on time, how many times you've missed classes, what are some of the times that you have been in class but your teacher were not there. So it gives you an overall report of how you've been doing. So this is not on a daily basis. We do it on a weekly basis and monthly basis. So you have the presence coverage, teacher overlap. That just means when you were there and your teacher were there at the same time, and so forth and so forth. You can understand these ones. They are not hard to understand. So the first thing, one of the things that you can do is when you click at the top right here, right, where they have this human at the top right, you have access to a few different settings. All right. So one of the things that you can change, it tells you what's your time zone, and you have the settings here. Like in the settings, you can change your profile, select a picture so that it's easy, and I will advise everyone to do this. And the next thing that you have is notifications, right? So you have access to different parts of notifications. One is for shifts when your class starts. All right, so you can say, oh, I want to be reminded 15 minutes before my class starts or 20 minutes before my class starts. And the one below that, you have get notified when you have a task or when a task has been assigned to you by a teacher or someone like that, okay? You can choose that if you want to be reminded 2 days before the task expires and or 7 days. And the other thing that you have to play with here is to get notified when you receive a message. All right. And you also have access to the 5 daily prayers. All right. This will kind of like remind you whenever the time of prayer has reached in your local area, in the city where you are. You'll get an adhan call to remind you it's time to pray. But these are all optional. You can turn them off if you do not want to be disturbed by the app. Okay. So here you have help and support. We have the language, which is in a test mode. At this point, we only support English and French. The English is very good, but the French might have some little problems, but it should work for most parts. Okay. So I'm going to go back to English because I do not speak French. All right. And here you also have, in case you want to take like the app tour, it gives you some information on what each part does. Okay. You do this, it will guide you. So this is this. Okay. This is this. And then you move on. So I'm just going to skip it. One last thing that I will mention here is if you have a class, right? This place here, this card at the top here that you have seen 9:30, is that you have a class right now and you can join this class from here. So if you click join live class, it will connect you to the class and help,
where you can continue and see your class. That's about it for this section.
So this is what you have, but when it's not your class time, you cannot join the class. All right. So you can join a class 10 minutes before it starts. So to say your class starts around 9 p.m. or 9:30, you can enter in the classroom from 9:20. You have access to it. It will allow you to go in there and wait for your teacher, or if you want to go in there and just be reading Quran, because we have a Quran open over there, so for you to recite until your teacher comes. Yeah. So one of the cool thing that we have is that you have access to a tutor, right? So this tutor is to help you ask questions. This is an AI tutor, so it's not like we have someone at the back answering you questions, or we have predefined questions and answers. This is an AI that's been trained and tailored just to answer your questions. So I will advise you to use it as much as you can. When you click on the tutor, all right, it will connect to your tutor. So at the top here, okay, you have access to whether you want to converse with the tutor through messages, or if you want to have a voice conversation with the tutor. All right. So if I choose voice, and I'm just going to choose Robin, these are different speakers, and the background sound, you can choose whatever you want. So if you don't want no background sound, you can just choose none. If you want at the background to be like you are in a forest, you're hearing some animals like birds chirping and stuff, you can choose that. Or if you want to be like in a city where you're hearing cab sounds, cars moving around, we can choose that. Or at the office, and then if you want some background music while you're having a conversation with the tutor. So I'm just going to choose none for right now, and you click apply preferences, right? So once you do this, okay, the AI
Starts and connects to your mic working, and then you can record and ask your online tutor any question. It's an AI and it can respond to you and it will attend to anything you want. And then this is it. So if you have any questions or you've come across any difficulty using this app, please reach out to any administrator. You already remember from the beginning of the video how to text an admin. You text any admin and we are going to always be available to attend to you. Thank you so much.